In this video, I want to show you how to set up your PlayStation Portal for the very first time. I'll go step by step through all the screen and explain to you what everything means. So let's get started right away. So the first step over here, I have simply pressed the power button, okay, right over here. Keep it pressed 2-3 seconds. The console will power for the first time and you should get this display asking you to choose language. You'll be able to navigate using this joystick or the buttons if you prefer. So I'll go ahead and select English from this list right over here, English, United States. And by the way, you can also use this as a touchscreen since, yeah, you can do this. So once you have selected your language, you're going to have to select your Wi-Fi network to connect this device to the Wi-Fi. This is my network. You can press X over here. Again, you can use the touchscreen to type the password. Then select Done. If there is a software update available for your console, simply press Download, Agree, and then Confirm. And now you have to wait. Depending how fast your internet connection is, it may take just 1 minute, 2 minutes, or it may take a bit more time. So we'll come back when this will be completed. At this point, don't touch anything, just let it do its thing. All right, after around 5 minutes, the update has been installed, and you may have to install multiple updates. So after one got installed, you may have been asked to install the next one. Now it's time to log in into your PlayStation account, and you can do this two different ways. So the first way is to take your smartphone, and on your smartphone you probably have the PlayStation app as it says over here, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few seconds. Or you can sign up manually on your PlayStation Portal into your account. So if you want to do it, as it says over here, sign in manually, you'll have to press this button. So let me just show you. Once you press here, you'll need to type your address, your password, and sign in this way. I'll do it using my smartphone, so let me get it. So this is the PlayStation app that I just opened on my iPhone. And then all you have to do is to press this button, the cogwheel, then go down until you see over here, scan QR code. You just have to point it just like that. Once you see this message, click approve. You are all set. Go to console to continue, press OK. You can put your smartphone away. On the next screen, simply press confirm and continue. And now it's time to pair your PlayStation Portal to your actual PS5. So what I suggest at this point is that you turn on your PS5 that I have right in front of me. So I'll just go ahead, turn it on. You can also use your Portal without a PS5. You're not obligated to do so, and I may do a tutorial in the future on how to use it that way, but for now I'll assume you already have a PlayStation. So it's turned on. Now I just have to click on pair a PS5 and your PS5 should appear on your display. Click on it and here it will give you some instructions. Turn on your PS5, we already did it. From the PS5 home screen, go to Settings, System, Remote Play, and turn on. Enable Remote Play. So let me just show you how it is done. So on the PS5 itself, you need to go into the settings. So go on the top until you get the cogwheel, okay, settings. Then you need to go to System. So this is where it is, System. Then go to Remote Play. And then click on the first option, enable remote play, and make sure this is turned on. Perfect. Now you can set aside your PS5 and go back over here. Press continue. It will ask you to drag from this corner to access settings. So every time you want to use these settings on your PlayStation Portal, you're going to drag the way they instructed you. And they will also instruct you that if you want to close this display at any time, press the circle or simply tap anywhere on the screen apart that place. Press next. Success. Press next. Wait a few seconds. It's connecting. Okay, ready to play. Press the X button. And here we go. We are on the PS5 itself. If I go back this settings menu where I was previously, I can have access to everything that was there. Now, the important thing, once you're done playing with your PlayStation Portal, you don't want to shut down your PS5, because if your PS5 is shut down, well, you won't have access to it. So press this PlayStation button on your Portal. Okay, whatever. This is just instruction telling you what it is. And down below, you need to make sure that you go into the power settings and you select enter rest mode. Don't turn off your PS5. Okay, put in rest mode. And if there is an update available for your PlayStation, it will ask you to install it and then put your PS5 in rest mode. I always recommend it, so I'll select this. Oops, like this. And the update will be installed and the PS5 won't go and the PS5 won't turn off. Obviously, over here you lost connection with it. But when you want to play again, you'll be able to, since the PS5 will not be turned off. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.